Hello, entrepreneurs. Joe DeCharis, CPA, coming to you live from downtown Flushing, New York for another amazing version of How to Win at Business. And what you're looking at here, folks, is my new S-corp book. It's an amazing itty-bitty S-corp book. There's everything you need to know about why you should set up an S-corp instead of an LLC. And that's what we're going to talk about tonight. I'm going to go back to what is an LLC? What are the tax benefits of an LLC? And before I do that, if you're watching live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching the replay, give me a hashtag replay. If anything I say resonates with you and you'd like to book a chat with me, all you have to do is go to timewithjoe.com. And if you like to mastermind, we have a great mastermind group. We meet every Saturday at 2 p.m. We play Jeopardy, we network, we learn about business. And on Tuesdays, we do Tech Tuesday. That's tomorrow, where we get to learn all about these gizmos and stuff that change seemingly like every day. You know, you can't keep up with it. But let's talk about this issue with LLCs, because it's just not going away. Everybody wants to be an LLC. Even people that contact me that want to get organized and they say they want an LLC, and then I have to go through a whole explanation of what an LLC is and why it's not a good idea to be one. And here's the crux of the argument. The IRS does not recognize an LLC. So when you become a single member LLC, you have accomplished nothing when it comes to your taxes. That's the plain truth. The IRS considers an LLC as what they call a disregarded entity. They don't care that the states have created this LLC category to protect business owners from legal problems. It was all set up to protect wealthy investors that wanted to get the tax benefits from a flow-through entity. And they couldn't be an S-corp, and they couldn't be a C-corp because it was just double taxation. And there we have it. LLCs were not created for people to run small businesses. LLCs have a lot of purposes that have nothing to do with taxes, if that makes sense. So I'm a tax guy. I'm always looking to find money one way or another. And so when somebody becomes an LLC, a single member LLC, they are still considered a sole proprietor for tax purposes. Now, what does that mean? Being a sole proprietor is the worst way to do business. Why? Because basically you're commingling your business expenses with your personal tax return. A sole proprietor has to file their business transactions on the Schedule C. It's a Form 1040 Schedule C. So it's part of your personal return. So if you want to take an office in the home deduction, which almost everybody takes that now, you also, as a sole proprietor, they want you to fill out another form to tell them all about your home expenses. So basically, you're raising a red flag by telling the IRS, hey, I'm in business, I'm a sole proprietor, and I probably don't know too much about business, because unfortunately sole proprietors just don't know. When you go into business, you're automatically classified as a sole proprietor, and that comes with risks. It comes with audit risk, it comes with financial, let's face it, you're not getting any tax benefits. In fact, you're paying 15% just on your net profit. So a person with a $30,000 net profit on a Schedule C will pay about over $4,500 in self-employment tax. So that's what's going on with that. So if you become an LLC, you really haven't covered anything that has to do with taxes. You want to be an S-corp because S-corps don't get audited. They just don't. A Schedule C with 150,000 in income is a high risk. An S-corp with 150,000 in income, the IRS doesn't even want to be bothered. And I'll tell you why. Because usually somebody that has a corporation has an accountant like me, and I'm a CPA. And when I sign your return, when I file your return, they see that it's being done by a CPA. And that offers protection. So that's why you could safely write off your expenses. You get immediate tax benefits from being an S-corp. And if you want to find out how, all you got to do is book a free chat with me, timewithjoe.com, and I'll let you know. Also, you get with an S-corp, well, you're already getting the legal protection from an LLC. But what I want you to know is that you can convert an LLC for tax purposes into an S-corp. We do it all the time. It's simple. It's not that expensive, and it can save you a ton of money in taxes. So that's my story. I'm sticking with it, short but sweet. If you have an LLC, contact me, and maybe we could help you. All right. God bless. Thank you.